today's cookbook adventure, we are trying out this kiwi cucumber juice that is so refreshing. Today's recipe is inspired by a cookbook that I discovered called Dry, which has a lot of non-alcoholic cocktails. Welcome to today's video. My name is Carol. I'm so excited for this one. One of my goals this year was to try out new cookbooks, and this one looks nice. Let's start this adventure of trying out drinks, and we are going to start with this kiwi cucumber juice. Let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. This is what you're working with today. It's not a lot. For this recipe, I'm giving it a personal touch. This is a personal touch. I'm using basil seeds instead of using flax seeds. So I'm using basil seeds. And on the plate, I have celery, cucumber, a pear, mint, and kiwi. So we'll start with the basil seeds. I'll put water and I will let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's give it some time. As we wait for the basil, let's chop our cucumber. And the pear. And the kiwi too. Celery. Something else that I forgot to mention, the recipe uses watercress, but I'll use spinach and coconut water. I don't like coconut water, so I'll use sparkling water. So into a blender that I already have the spinach, I'm going to use the mint, put the mint, and then put the rest of the things that we sliced. That's the cucumber, the celery, and the pear. Then the sparkling water. Then we blend. Ice cubes. A slice of kiwi. And then we pour. We have forgotten the basil seeds. Chai. Let me put in this other glass. So ice cubes first, and then our basil seeds that we had forgotten. Then our juice. Time to test. It looks really nice. Look at that. That's it for today, guys. Let me enjoy this day today. On this particular day that I'm doing this video, it's hot. So this is very refreshing. Let me end this video here. I hope you will join me in this adventure as we discover this new cookbook called Dry. That's it for now, guys. Why am I breathing so much? That's it for now. So see you in the next one. Bye bye and God bless. Let me tell you.